Hello friends, this is Smita Katti and I blog at smilingcolors.com. Welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be brush lettering with 3 Tombow markers. I'm going to blend the colors using my blending palette and we're going to do all of it in this cute little sketchbook. So let's get started here. I'm going to use my pink and the purple color today. So onto the blending palette, I'm going to scribble some of the purple. So this blending palette is basically just a laminated surface. And I love that it has all the colors on the back. So let's go to page number 2 here. So today I think I'm just going to letter the quote on this side and do some kind of geometric design on the other. So what I'm doing is, I'm picking up color just along the edge of my brush pen. And what this allows is you get a multiple color when you letter. And I'll show you that. So you see multiple shades. If you pick up more color, you'll get more gradation. Now you don't need to pick up color after every letter. So my quote today is, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. So I'm going to do secret of So I'm just basically mixing and matching fonts here. This is another favorite thing of mine. I like to alternate. So I have one row in capitals, then the next brush lettering, capitals, and then we go brush lettering. Again, even in my brush lettering, I'm going capitals and lowercase, but they're all in a brush font, which means they're weighted. My downstrokes are thicker than my upstrokes. Now, if you observe, I chose to do my H and D as uppercase letters. And that's because if I had to do a D like this, I wouldn't have enough height here. I wanted all of my letters to be in just one row. I didn't want them going up and down. So I just chose to change the letters to capitals instead. So if you see how this worked, I'm repeating the word getting. So that kind of gives a symmetry and beauty to the lettering now. It's not going to be exactly the same, and that's fine because hand lettering is handmade. You're not looking for something that is computer generated. You're looking for something that has character, something that's unique. So I'm not trying too hard to replicate what I've done before on this row. I'm just doing my thing. Okay, so the secret of getting ahead is getting started. So I need to put the word started over here. Again, I want them all to fit in one line. So I probably won't do a dramatic T or anything. So again, I'm going to start with a capital S, a simple T, an A. Now R. I'm going to do a capital R. I didn't have to do a capital R. You could have done anything, but I'm just going with it now. So we have 3 more letters. Can we do this? I think so. Let's do this. That was a tight fit, but we got it done. So on this side, I was thinking of doing a kind of pattern, a diamond kind of pattern. So let's see. So now I want these to be diamonds, that much I know. So I want this to pass there. And then I'm just drawing parallel lines. Oops. That one didn't come nice. Again, I'm using the same 2-color method just to add more interest so that it draws your eye to the center of these diamonds. Okay, now with my darker purple color. I'm just going to draw a little bit of a flower shape. So today's sketch is part of my 52 quote challenge. So every week I am going to letter a quote into my little book here. This is week 2 and I've been enjoying it so much so far. This book is a unique size for me. It's really tiny, so I have to think of new ways to fill it in. And here's a look at the final layout. I love how this turned out. So thank you for watching this video with me and spending some crafty time. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll be back again soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share it with friends. Till I see you next time, happy crafting!